Hey, so today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review of this 18 gauge braided nailer that was sent to me over from my friends over at Linknal. Now, what I'm going to do is do a quick unboxing and I'm going to do a test. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get it open. Now, the first thing I noticed is that it comes in a hard shell, which to me, I love it when my tools have their own hard shell box because of the fact that I just protect it. Throw it around, bring it wherever I want to. Everything's always going to be the same. And immediately right off the bat, you're going to notice that, it comes with instructions, PPE glasses. So, right off the bat, you got safety included, which is number 1. 2 lithium ion, 2 amp hour batteries with indicators on them as well. Charger. So a couple details about the nailer that I wanted to share with you is that it is an 18 gauge braided nailer. It has a magazine capacity of 105 nails. It has a max rate of 3 nails per second on single shot or punch shot mode, where you want to tap it and hit it. Total weight of the unit is 3.7 pounds, which makes it completely just carryable. I can bring it anywhere I want to. It does have a belt clip included in it. What I want to do is show you the kind of the adjustments behind it too as well. So let's go ahead and get it loaded and check out to see what kind of features it also includes. So the nailer, you're going to find out is that it has an adjustment on the front where how deep the nailer will shoot the nail. Now this selector here is going to adjust whether you're going to be shooting in single shot or multi-shot mode. So from there you have the magazine, which is where you press this button down and it slides out. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of the included nails that come with the kit and you'll go ahead and load it up. So let me go ahead and show you how that's done. Now, a couple things I wanted to make sure that the vendor recommends, since there is no on and off switch on this thing, is that the battery is removed when you go to load the nails. So it has a set of 18 gauge nails that are here. Let's go ahead and just drop it in like so, and then go ahead and close it up. From there, the unit is ready to go ahead and fire up. So before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and ensure safety here. And I'm gonna grab me a block of wood that I have sitting here. And let's make sure that we test this really good. All right, so when you're ready to do it, you just get the battery, go ahead and load the battery up. Now we're ready to go. Depending on how you wanna shoot it, the mode I have it is gonna be in single shot now. Shoots really smooth, really soft, not too loud, really light when it comes to shooting the nails as well. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to multi-shot mode here. I mean, out of all the shots that I did, it looks like there was 2 of them that didn't go in all the way. Which at the end of the day, that's fine for how I'm going to be testing it, because I was really doing it sloppy. So you can't think that, hey, look, just because you had 2 nails, it didn't do whatever. But nobody in their right mind is going to be shooting as sloppy as I did right now. I'm just trying to really push the tool to its max. But as you can see, I mean, it did really well. I think it performed really well. It didn't misfire at all on me after I started shooting it, which to me this is a really good nailer. I'm really happy. Normally, you can only, using the air ones, you gotta connect them up, you gotta lug them around. And, to me, this guy right here is definitely fun to work with. I mean, I could be using this thing all day long. But I just wanted to ensure, we gave it a good test here. And I hope you liked the test. Let me know in the comments what I could have done differently to test it. Maybe we'll go ahead and just grab this manual here that it comes with and just shoot it down. Shot pretty good. Look at that. And where did it go in this manual? Oh, it sunk it perfectly too on the manual. Like I said, you could adjust it a little bit more. You can shoot random things with it, but mostly you're probably going to be doing some molding with it, and so just your basic small elements. Not a framing nailer by any means, but the company Linknal, they specialize in nailers. So check them out on their website just to kind of see what the product they do have there. I'd just like to encourage you to check this out. It'll be in the description here. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed today's review, and I hope you take in this consideration of this nailer. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get alerted anytime I do a tool.